You have heard the promises, you have seen the headlines, earn thousands with AI, but when you try, you hit a wall. The path is not clear, the advice is vague. You are told to build a brand or create content. You are not shown the exact steps. You want to make an extra $500 a day. You know AI is a powerful tool, but connecting the tool to the income feels like a puzzle with missing pieces. This is a common problem. Many people feel stuck. They see the potential of artificial intelligence. They don't have a concrete plan to turn that potential into real spendable cash. This feeling of being overwhelmed is normal. You might have downloaded a few AI tools. Maybe you generated an image, had a chat with an AI assistant. It was interesting, but it did not put money in your bank account. The truth is, just having access to a tool is not enough. You need a system. You need a specific service that people will pay for, who to sell it to, and how much to charge. Here is the good news. There is a clear solution. In this video, I will lay out a specific, step-by-step plan you can start today. The core of this plan is simple. You will sell a productized service. One well-defined service for a fixed price. You are not selling your time by the hour. You are selling a specific outcome. Instead of, I am an AI video editor for hire, say, I will create a 60-second promotional video with AI voiceover and stock footage for your business for $250. This clarity is powerful. The client knows exactly what they get and how much it costs. Sales become much easier. No negotiation, no confusion. So where does AI fit in? Artificial intelligence is your superpower. It gives you leverage to deliver high-value work fast. A pro editor, 4 or 5 hours per 60-second video. With AI, 1 to 2 hours. AI can write the script, generate a professional voiceover, find the right stock clips, and assemble a first draft. You are still in control. The director guiding the tools. AI does the heavy lifting. This model works for key reasons. First, it is scalable. Finish projects fast. Take more clients. Two $250 projects in a day equals $500. Second, costs stay low. No fancy studio needed. Start with free or low-cost tools and subscriptions. Third, it is beginner-friendly. Be good enough. AI bridges the rest. We will focus on short-form AI videos for local businesses. Demand is huge. They need video content, but lack time, skill, or budget. You can step in with a fast, affordable solution and become their go-to. High demand meets a low barrier to entry. The first and most critical step is to stop trying to sell to everyone. You must pick a niche. A niche is a specific group of customers with a shared problem. Selling to businesses is too broad. Selling to real estate agents in Austin, Texas is a niche. E-commerce stores with handmade jewelry is a niche. When you speak to a specific niche, your marketing becomes powerful. Specific pains, tailor-made solution, instant trust. Think about a niche you know or are interested in. Your personal knowledge is an unfair advantage. Once you have a niche, craft a single productized offer. Keep it simple and specific. Example, real estate agents, a 60-second AI video tour with stock B-roll, AI narration, captions, for $250. Clear. The agent knows exactly what they get. Restaurants, 30-second social ad of top 3 dishes delivered in 48 hours for $150. Online coaches, 3 15-second animated testimonial reels using client quotes and AI voiceover for $200 now. Pattern, specific deliverable, specific price, specific customer. Price should be a no-brainer yet lets you hit your daily goal with few sales. Start with one niche and one offer. Do not add more until income is consistent. It must be reliably deliverable with AI tools and stock media and solve a real problem. Before moving on, write down your niche and offer. Example, my niche is local coffee shops. My offer, 30-second Instagram promo video for $150. Now you have a clear target. You do not need a lot of expensive software. In 2025, tools are more powerful and affordable than ever. Start on free tiers. Keep costs low. Upgrade only once you have paying clients. First, a chat-based AI to write scripts, like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. Use free versions. Ask for specific tone. Upbeat and professional, cozy and inviting. Second, an AI video editor, the heart of your workflow. It finds stock footage, assembles clips, adds text, syncs to VO. Examples, in video AI, Pictory, Synthesia. Paste your script, get a draft in minutes, then swap clips, adjust timing, add branding. Access millions of clips via Pexels, Pixabay, Storyblocks. Third, an AI voice generator. Standalone tools often sound better. 11 Labs, Murph. AI. Choose a clear male American narrator voice, paste script, download audio. Finally, a free AI image generator like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 for custom thumbnails and graphics. Your initial toolkit is complete. Writer, ChatGPT, video editor, Pictory, voice artist, 11 Labs, stock via built-ins. You are ready to produce. Remember, start free, keep it lean, and only upgrade as revenue arrives. Your daily workflow for one project. A repeatable workflow is key to being fast and profitable. About 2 hours end-to-end once you get the hang of it. This efficiency makes $500 a day realistic. Step 1. Gather assets. 15 minutes. Your client sends address, features, listing link, and a few photos. Organize everything. You are not visiting the property. This is fully remote. Step 2. Write the script with AI. 20 minutes. Prompt for a compelling 60-second script. Highlight key features. Set tone warm and professional. End with a call to action. Read it. Tweak flow. Finalize. Open your AI editor. Paste the script. It will auto-select stock clips, kitchens, backyards, neighborhoods. Replace generic shots with better stock and client images. Generate the male American voiceover and upload to the timeline. Polish, add captions, the agent's logo, and contact info on the final scene. Set music to sit under VO. Watch the full minute to catch errors. Export and send via email or Drive. That is it. Project complete. You have just earned $250 in about 2 hours. Deliver, then repeat for the next client. Creating the service is half the battle. Now you need to sell it. You do not need a fancy website or huge following. Do direct outreach, short, helpful messages to your niche. Send 20 outreach messages daily, about 1 hour. Find prospects on Google Maps, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook. For real estate, search real estate agents in your city. Track contacts in a simple spreadsheet. Sample, hi, agent's name. I specialize in fast, affordable promo videos for real estate using AI. I can create a 60-second video for $250. Would you be interested in seeing a sample? Thanks, your name. Most won't reply. That is okay. It is a numbers game. From 20 messages, expect 2 to 3 interested replies. Convert one into a paying client. If they ask for a sample, send a demo or offer the first one at a discount. After delivery, ask for a testimonial, then add it to future outreach for credibility. Make outreach a daily, non-negotiable habit. 20 messages. Track. Sample if needed. Get the testimonial. Repeat. Your daily income target is $500. If your price is $250, you need 2 sales per day. That is it. At $150, aim for about 4 sales to make $600. At $500 per package, 1 sale hits the goal. Price on value, not hours. A $250 video that helps sell a $500,000 home is a bargain. If 20 messages yields 1 client, 40 should yield 2, assuming consistency. Testimonials improve trust, your copy improves, conversion rises. 2 paths. Raise price, $250 to $300 to $350 as your portfolio grows. Or hire help. A VA for outreach, or another editor to free you to sell and develop offers. This is how you grow from a side hustle into an automated micro-agency. Know your price, know your volume, commit to consistency, and choose your scaling path. Even with a perfect plan, you will run into problems. Know them in advance and fix fast. Problem 1, I am not getting any clients. Fix. Increase volume to 20-40 targeted messages daily. If still 0 replies, rewrite the message or test a different niche. Consider a foot-in-the-door sample or steep first project discount for a testimonial. Manage expectations. AI plus stock footage. No on-site shoots. Listen. Identify whether it is script, voice, or clips. Offer 1-2 free revision rounds. Normal at first. Solve with repetition and templates. Outreach, brief, prompts. After 10 projects, analyze bottlenecks. Done, perfect. Focus on small daily wins. Today's win might simply be sending 20 messages. Your first action step, I can just the deep gown for dust tree for topers. We buff the mau done. The can intend the dow the dender done to down do. When not do dow today. You have the blueprint. Now act. Do not do everything at once. Just step 1. Choose your niche and define your productized offer. Pick a starting price, $150, $200, or $250. Do not overthink it. You can change later. Pick one. Commit for 30 days. This should take no more than 30 minutes. Clarity out of chaos. Tomorrow, send your first 20 outreach messages. You have the map. The only thing left is to take the first step. Start now.